Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, good looking chicken stir fry with vegetables. You're going to enjoy this with your friends, your family, or by yourself. If you're by yourself, you're going to enjoy this. Stick around, I'll show you how. So the ingredients we need today, we need snow peas and chicken thigh. It has no skin, has no bone. Is the chicken thigh. You can use the chicken breast if you have that. Bell peppers, lemon, lime. The lime is totally optional. And then onions, broccoli, ginger, garlic, a soy sauce, both the light and the dark one, oyster sauce, carrots, and black pepper, honey as well. And then Thai chili pepper. It's not displayed here, but you need Thai chili pepper and honey. And stick around. Let's start chopping up. But first of all, we're going to be chopping up our bell peppers thinly, not too thin, not too thick. Just as thick as this. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this video and to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much. You're welcome. And then we'll chop up our carrot as well. There you go for the vegetables. And then we're going to be chopping up our broccoli. We just take out the stalk and then just chop them up into little florets like so. Then for onions, you just chop up your onions as well. And then ginger. Remember to grate your garlic. Then in a large bowl, we are going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, both the light and the dark one, the regular one. And then we are putting in a garlic, a grated garlic. And then we're squeezing in a lemon without the seeds. Give it a good stir. And we go ahead and we chop up our chicken. Just chop it up in cubes, equal sizes, so that it cooks well and it cooks evenly. just give it a good stir. I'm putting a black pepper. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then take off the strings from the snow peas. And then in a large pot, boiling hot water, pour in your vegetables. This is going to sit in here for about a minute or two. Make sure to have the water cover the vegetable. And then in a pan, if you have a pan, if you don't have a wok, that's perfectly fine. Make sure that the heat is on high, and then when the pan is extremely hot, and we're going to be frying up our chicken. Make sure you keep stirring so that they all cook evenly. If it's too hot, let it be at least medium high, because we do not want the chicken to let out so much water and it becomes soggy, so it has to be extremely hot. Just keep frying them up until it's golden brown. It's golden brown, we take them out, and then in the same pan, a little bit more oil. We are frying up our ginger. And then our Thai chili pepper. Onions, and then gently start putting in your vegetables, and just in bits, just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Just stir for about 3 minutes. Just keep stirring. You want it to be cooked. You want it to be evenly cooked. Then we are putting in our soy sauce. Just eyeball it. Put in the quantity you need. And then I just put in honey. The spatula is brown, so you couldn't see it. Put in about a tablespoon of honey, or 2, depending on how sweet you want your stir fry to be. And give it a good stir, and then put in your chicken. Keep stirring till it's evenly cooked. And there you go. And we are literally done with our stir fry. Stir fry ready. You serve this with rice. It is super yummy. It smells so good. Enjoy this with your family. Enjoy this by yourself if you're alone. And give me feedbacks. Leave a comment if you want other recipes. Thank you so much. Bye.